Hey, what's going on YouTube? Life of Paul's here with Wayne Wonder. Getting out of the Camaro, heading over to Best Buy to pick up some Corsair H100 version 2 all-in-one water cooler.
Yeah.
So come along for the ride.
Right, no, I don't think so either. Yeah.
It's hot as fucking balls. It's like 92 degrees right now in Massachusetts. High humidity. Buddy's trying to buy a house. He's on the phone with the realtor. So here we go. This girl's got noodles. Here we go. What's up, brother? It's hot as balls. It's nice and cool in here. This store's fucking nice. Computers, Raya. Gaming, toys. How's it going? It's the gaming section at Best Buy. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Life of Paul's here. It's replacing a Corsair H100i version 2 all-in-one water cooler due to a pump failure. Here we got the Corsair H100i V2 Hydro Series Extreme Performance 240mm liquid CPU cooler. So just check out some of the specs on this, all the contents. Comes with a 240mm radiator, advanced SP120L PWM fans, and an improved cold plate for pump and better efficiency. So this is what this computer looks like. It's a Corsair, I'm not sure, 760T case, I believe. You have a MSI Gaming 5 motherboard, and Intel Core i5 4690K, and MSI GTX 970 overclocked edition, Corsair RM 750 power supply, 2TB Western Digital black. And this is what it's going to look like after the installation. New fans. We don't need any of this shit. Let's save that. Oh man, body hurts. Baller, caller, shot caller, brawler, and lead tonight. Go on the back and hold this plate.
Yeah, swear.
Yeah, just hold that for a second so I can catch a couple on this piece. You're good, dude. Dude, you're good, dude. What you do? Can't be a beast all the time. Feels so good standing up. We're gonna have to mount the radiator, folks. Did you hear anybody say folks? this. Thus far. Thus far. Who's a thus far these days? I'm gonna do a custom loop, I think around Christmas on mine. It's like 540 bucks for parts.
Wow.
Custom loop water cooler. So you can see it. So it looks cool. I might do a different computer tower too.
There's those?
No, I might do a different tower.
Oh.
A computer tower.
That was it for the meal. It's a full-size dinner plate.
Jesus Christ. Show that to LaRue.
Yeah.
She like, oh, dude, I would have went.
With the cheesecake. Like blackberries and raspberries and everything like that.
Shit your brains out right after?
No. It's probably like
That's how you know it's a good cheesecake.
It's probably like an 80
You shit your brains out. Oh, how much did it cost them? Fucking $6.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure you get all the screws up in this bitch. I'm like a regular Gary Holzman. One more screw for the rad mount. Do a little wire management. Put these other two fans on. All right, Woody, there you go, bud. Figure it out.
Come on.
Huh? I'm all done.
No.
I put it in. Now you gotta put it back together.
No.
What do you mean, guy? You can figure it out. You act like... You play like you're not fucking smart, guy. I've seen you fucking manipulate these things before. Your wire ties? My man? That's a no. That sounds too fucking promising here. This fucker. I'll mount this one down low. I can get it in there. Need this in there. Do you want it in there? You want this in there?
You need to be in there?
No, it's just another mount for another SSD. That's it. I know the other one's not in there. You got any bread ties?
I
wish I had some. That's fucking...
all mountain hardware?
Yeah. I just use the shit that was already on there.
Yeah.
Let's plug that one in there. Let's plug. This one in here. Don't say. What did I say? Don't say. What is this one? 5 fans. This one, this one.
You see any better than what was in there?
What's that? Yeah, this is the version 2. It's the one I have.
You got anything with this?
Throw it in the trash.
That's it? It's all in piece, huh?
Yeah. Scrap the aluminum, you might get fucking 20 cents. Mm-hmm. right. In theory, this should work. Sun system fan.